In this video, I'm going to convert graphics into buttons. So we previously had started to make buttons across the top, and you'll have to watch the previous video for that. For this video, what I'm going to do is show you how you can convert graphics into buttons. So one of the first things I need to do is I need to grab one of these things. This is the diving object, and I can see what I've got by going under Windows and Layers, and you'll see I've selected this layer here, the masked layer of diving. And what I want to do is modify this graphic. So what I'm going to do to make a button, I select the graphic I want, in this case a picture of the diver, and I select modify, and under modify I go to symbol and convert to a symbol. And so this kind of symbol is not going to be a graphic, rather it's going to be a button. And I'm going to call this diving is going to be a button, and I'm going to press OK. And what I can do with this, if I double click on it, it's going to take me to that same button editor we just used previously. In that button editor, what we had was the upstate. That's the regular way a button looks. The overstate, and so if I want over, I click the copy up graphic, and I'll copy this graphic. And how I want to modify this graphic is I might want to make the ellipse. I might want to take the ellipse part, and I might want to modify its color. Instead of being yellow, maybe I'll make it glow red like the buttons. And I can maybe even make it bulge a bit and get a little bit bigger, maybe 4 pixels. Okay, and then I can say, active area. I can take the active area, and with this one though, the active area is going to be a little different because I want it to be tight around the button, but there is text that says diving, so I might make it longer so some of the text is also included in that active space. I'm done, so I press done. So now diving is going to be a button. The last thing I need to do is, as the textbook has, there's specific pages I'd like you to name these. So for example, the diving on page 78 should be called, the link should be called diving.htm.